Hi friends, welcome. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping in. And if you haven't already done so, please hit the subscribe button. I'd love to have you as a subby friend. And if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. So I'm really excited to share with you today what I made using the Dollar Tree garland. These turn out so cute. So it's the garland like this. So this one is the little starfish. Of course, this one was the anchor. So this one I'm going to do another project with because they're so cute. Like I have so many plans and things. So this one is the anchor, and this is how they turned out. So I used some HTV on the wood anchor. So I used my Cricut mini press to press that down. I did a little color to my beads. I added the blue ones, my keychain, and these just really turned out so cute. Now I only did one side. You could definitely do both sides if you want, or you could paint one side, whichever you want. But these just turned out really, really adorable, and I'm totally digging it. So I only did two because I'm going to do two more of them. Like I just had the thought and was figuring it out as we went along. So two of them I put the iron on for too long. So definitely just a light amount of heat. So I'll go back. They're definitely fixable. So really you can get 4 keychains out of these. And of course I added to them. You don't have to, but these are really, really cute. So I'm super excited about them. I hope that you like them, and I hope that it was helpful. I hope you have a blessed and beautiful day, and stay tuned and we'll make them. I'll see you later. Bye, friends. Oh, and by the way, happy Nurses Week to all of my nurses. I'll see you later. All right, so I have my little shore string from the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna open this. So we have 4 anchors. I'm just going to take all these pieces off. I'll set that to the side. So I have some water and I have some red paint. And I'm just going to put a tiny bit of red paint in here. I want to make like a dye, not like a solid red paint, you know? All right, so I'm going to do 4 of these. So I'm going to do 4, 8, 12, 16. We'll see. I mean, that may not dye them well enough. We'll see. Oh yeah, it's going to, because I don't want them, I just want a tinge. I don't want them super red. I just want like a tinge of red to them. But I'm going to add just a little bit more paint. All right, we'll let that set. And these I'll just put in my bead stash. All right, so then I've also got these 4 beads that I'm gonna add. And then I have this HTV, and this is a Cricut Disney series HTV. And there's some in the pack that has like Mickey and stuff on it, but these anchors are so small that you're not gonna see Mickey. So I didn't want to, you know, like waste pieces that have Mickey on it. So I'm just getting a piece big enough to cover each of the anchors. Oh yeah, that's gonna just make it, okay. Now I'm gonna use one of these boards because I don't want to put heat on my silicone mat here. I'm just gonna put these on to where they're covered. So look, these two, I don't know, I'm gonna go lighter with these. I might not be able to use those two, but this is all trial and error. So it doesn't take much for these to adhere to this. I'm like putting all kinds of heat on it and it's burning through, so let's see. I'm wondering if my X-Acto might be easier. I love these Cricut X-Acto knives. Like, these are my absolute favorite. Yeah, that's super cute. And X-Acto knife is definitely better than scissors. This heat transfer is like vinyl-y, I mean like rubbery. That's why it's like such a little pain. Okay, so this can definitely be fixed. I'll put those away and I'll fix them later for the sake of time. All right, let's see how our beads are doing. just going to take 8 out since I'm only doing the 2. Yeah, that's perfect. Now, I also, like, if I want to dye wood beads like brown, I do like either like leftover coffee grounds and, you know, make some coffee or tea or, you know, something like that, and just dye them. So that's, okay, that's perfect. I like to use this, it's called On a Cord, and it's like a wax cord. This is my favorite to use. See, that string is fine if you're only going to do your beads back, but since I'm going to be adding on that silicone bead, it's definitely too thick. Did you see what I did? I put it out the other side and just brought it back through. So crazy. All right. And then open up my thing, put that back on. All right, so now again, we'll go through these 2. And I like how this bead actually goes up over like this chain piece here. I like that. All right, so now we're gonna separate out our piece here. And these ones are gonna only go on one. And we'll go through here like this. And now this is going to go back through these last 2 that we put on, right here like this, through one, and then through the other. Now, if your cord gets bunched up, it's not going to pull well, so you don't want your cord to be bunched up. So now we're going to pull this tight. I'm going to do a surgeon's knot, which means I take it and just wrap it around twice and then pull it tight. Then I'm going to tie a knot in it. Then I want to make it so that this guy here is up on in there. I may have to like just put a little glue in there, which is not a big deal if I need to. One more knot just to make it tight. Little scissors so I can get down in there. And I'm just gonna shove my knot down in that bead there, like that. And there we go. And if I want to, I could just put a little glue in there and glue this on. And it's because of the having to do the 2 holes. But I can definitely, if I need to, just put some glue in there. All right, so Oh yeah, that's cute. I'm so excited. That's super cute. Let's see. Now, since that shows, I'm going to just do a little blue. Let's see how that looks. Now I made this one a little bit looser for the inker. But I could still, and if I wanted, like, honestly, I would want to do the back side also. And like I said, if I want, I could, you know, put a little glue there to get them to stay in place. But look how cute those are. Those are adorable. And so technically I could make 4 out of these. I mean, this was our first time doing it, so, you know, and figuring it out. But I'll fix those 2 later and fix these. And I do think that maybe I'll put some glue up in here and just make it stay. But look how cute that is. So cute. I'm excited. All right, listen, I hope you guys liked it, and I hope it was helpful, maybe gave you an idea. And I have ideas that I'm going to do with the different ones that I have, and I'll share them with you as I do them. And they'll probably be somewhat back to back, just because as I get an idea, like if I don't do it, I'll forget about it. All right, listen, friends, I'll see you later, and I hope you have a blessed and beautiful day. Bye.